Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey Will here. Make sure if you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do what you need to do. But in this video, we're talking about e-bike batteries. First thing we're going to start off with is, what size battery do you need? What size battery do you want? And what size battery does your bike or whatever you're riding can take? You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if you guys see the channel. I have built a couple racer dirt bikes. Obviously they're not stock at all. Some are actually 48 volts, some are 52 volts, some are 17 volts, and the ESC works all in that operation range, so I can have an array of batteries to put in this thing. But enough about that. We're going to talk about more about the batteries in this video. This one is home built. I actually built this one maybe a couple weeks ago. This was a homemade 52 volt battery, 14 cells in this thing. So that's 14 positive cells and 14 negative cells. Cell groups. Whew. It's a lot of cells in this thing. But this one has 20 cells. It's a 72 volt. Mind the crusty little bag that's around it. This thing goes down the trails a lot, so I have to keep it kind of clean. This one is more. I let friends and family ride this one a little bit more because it's easier, a little smoother, not as jerky. It's 72. But that's one of the main pros and cons. The higher the voltage, like in this one, which means the higher the power. So you'll get a lot more juice at first, and you'll get a lot more battery life, obviously, as time goes on and stuff like that. But this one, this is the 52 volt, and this also does get good battery life as well. It's just a little bit less power, a little bit more smoothness, a little more easier to ride, you know what I'm saying? So, it's not, like either or is bad. They still both get like a long battery life. A lot of people ask me how long does 72 volt battery last? This one lasts about like 2 to 3 days if I'm just stunting on it, like doing wheelies and stuff, messing around. But like if you're riding around, like maybe like from neighborhood to neighborhood, maybe like 2 or 3 days still, because like you're not going that fast. If you're going as fast as you can, I'll say maybe like 3 to 4 hours. Like let's say 3 hours. If you're going as fast as you can the whole time, going as hard as you can, you'll waste the whole 20 amp hours real fast. But for this homemade 52 amp battery, 52 volt battery, this is actually 22 amp hours. This actually lasts around the same time. But like I said, if you're just going through the battery, the 52, same thing. You're gonna waste in about 2.5 to 3 hours. But like if you're just cruising, you're gonna get like 2 to 3 days off of a charge. Chargers are a whole different ball game. I'll get into that in a whole different video because there's so many different chargers. There's fast chargers, there's slow chargers, there's trickle chargers, there's everything, and everything's really controlled by your battery management system. And if you guys want to know what that is, watch some of my other videos on how I build a battery and everything else. But I hope you guys are following along because there's a lot of information to comprehend. Yeah, some people ask if there's benefits to one battery or the other. The 52 volt is a little bit smaller and like takes up a little bit less weight. I'm not sure exactly how much they both weigh, but to be honest, they're definitely over both 20 pounds. They're very heavy, and they definitely notice when they're on and off the bike. But both use the same parts: XT90 discharge ports, XT60 charge ports. Actually, this one just has an XT90 discharge port and charge port. We did not put an XT60 on this one, but that's nevertheless. Some people ask me, what is it better to build your own battery or buy your own battery? After all this like headache and all this other stuff, to be honest, I'd rather just buy it in the long run. But like since I actually know how to build them and I got all the tools for it, it makes a big difference. Like good spot welder makes a big difference in how fast you can build a battery or how well the tacks stick and all that other stuff. But if you don't know, or if you don't want to know, or if you just want to just keep it chill, I would buy a battery. Like this one, I bought this from Electron Company. Fire batteries. They last a long time, and they're well built. They're very mine's kind of lumpy, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it still performs as it does, as it should. And it has a custom BMS, not custom BMS, but like a BMS that I put in that has an app and I can access and all that other kind of stuff. But other than that, there's no real up or down for if you want to build it or if you want to buy it yourself. Other than that, I really recommend you guys getting an electric bike, electric anything. Build it, definitely don't buy it, but electric's the new wave, y'all. So I hope you guys get on tune. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, I hope this information was useful. Hit that subscribe button, hit those likes, hit those comments. I know you guys have some questions. I'm here to answer them. Thank you for watching. Peace, y'all.